Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can achieve the cross braiding that is raining now on the wig cap. So stay tuned and don't go away. My old subscribers, I love you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I'm sewing in the closure net into the wig cap. Like I use a closure net for this tutorial, a wig cap, needle and thread. I use edge control, and I also use marker to help me know the line, and crochet pin as well. So I'm trying to sew in the closure net into the wig cap. After that, which I did off the camera, I cut off the inside as usual. Then the place I'm lining up with a pencil is where my hairline stopped, because I put the nets on top of my hair to know where I will begin and where I will start. So after that, I use a marker to put a the dot to help me to find in the line of the each of the boxes. So like the first start, which is by the two side of the wig, I had 3 boxes. Then the rest is four boxes. That's 3 by each side of the hair. So now I'm going to connect each of the dots using a straight line right now. And what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to count it to make sure all of them has each partner for the crossing. So right now I'm connecting the dots together by making a straight line. After then, I will also make a line for the boxes. All right. So now I'm done with the straight line. So I'm going to make the boxes. Like the first one, like I said before, by each side of it I did 3. That is 3 box on the first one, second one 3 box. Then the rest is 4 box. The same thing on the other side. So I'm trying to create a box to help me crochet it in. And if you notice very well, the first one, the boxes were facing each other. Then the second one, the lines I drew it like a kind of, I'm jumping, giving a little bit space so that the crossing will be very, very obvious. I don't know if you understand. So guys, after this we'll start crocheting the hair. This video is very long, so that's why I had to now cut it in a way just to go straight to the point in order not to waste your time. So I will use this braiding hair to begin with the boxes. So like I was saying about the length of the video, off the camera I've already done one part and I also did the other part. I will come in on the middle where I will show you how I achieved it. So now I'm going to use the braiding hair to create a box using the line I initially did on the closure net. So I'm going to crochet in the hair. Here sometimes I pick 3 strands, sometimes 2 strands, sometimes I pick 4. I'm trying to make sure that the knot is not much. Don't mind the one on the left side. Oh, my girl was trying to learn how to do it by herself. So guys, after crocheting it in the first line and reach where the box line end, I'm going to still go back again and crochet another line. That's each of the lines I do 2 times. That's, just watch what I'm saying now. I'm going to crochet this one. When I get to the ending part, I'll still go back again, just like what I'm saying and what I'm trying to do now. I'm going to crochet it again from the inside, going another line in order for it to have a little bit weight and not to be too obvious inside. Just watch what I'm trying to explain. Okay, I'm going to crochet it, get to the end. That's how I'll be doing each part of the boxes until I finish the hair. So So I'm done with the crossing. I'm braiding the back of the hair of the camera. So those ones I dropped while I did the crossing, I'm going to use some pieces of hair and braid it off. Still drop it. I'm going to also show you how I will fill in the lines. You know, if I drop it like this, it will be obvious. You see the place I sewed the closure net. So after this, I'll be showing you how I'm able to close it. Just watch what I'm doing now. I will braid in hair on that line to fill in the sewing of the closure net and the wig cap. That's how I'm going to do it till I finish. Then trim the hair off, put it inside the hot water, and just watch me rock it at the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if it's helpful. See you guys in my next video. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye, and thanks for your support.